You've probably heard of ClickUp. It's that shiny new project management tool everyone's raving about. But can it really replace your trusty old database? That's the burning question we're tackling today. Now, I know what you're thinking. A database? That's for tech nerds and data scientists, right? Wrong. A database is just an organized collection of information. It could be your customer list, your product inventory, or even your recipe book. And guess what? You probably use databases all the time without even realizing it. So back to ClickUp. Can it handle this kind of data juggling act? Let's dive in. First off, what makes a good database? Well, it needs to be organized, easy to search, and able to handle a decent amount of data. It should also be flexible enough to adapt as your needs change. ClickUp, on the other hand, is primarily a project management tool. It's designed to help teams collaborate, track tasks, and stay organized. But it also has this nifty little feature called lists. Now, lists might not sound like much, but they're the backbone of what we're talking about today. Think of a list as a table in a traditional database. You can create columns for different pieces of information, like name, email, or product ID. Then you can add rows for each individual item. It's simple, but it's effective. Let's say you want to use ClickUp to manage your customer database. You could create a list called Customers. Add columns for name, email, phone number, purchase history, and any other relevant information. For each customer, you'd create a new row. But is it really as good as a dedicated database? Well, it depends on your needs. For small to medium-sized datasets, ClickUp can definitely hold its own. It's easy to use, and you can create custom views to see your data in different ways. Plus, you can link tasks to customers, which can be handy for tracking sales or support issues. However, if you're dealing with large amounts of data or complex relationships between different data points, you might want to stick with a traditional database. ClickUp's performance can start to suffer as your dataset grows, and it lacks some of the advanced features you'll find in dedicated database software. But let's not write ClickUp off just yet. It has some tricks up its sleeve. For example, you can use custom fields to add extra information to your list items. This is great for storing things like dates, numbers, or drop-down options. You can also use filters and views to quickly find the information you need. And don't forget about integrations. ClickUp can connect with a variety of other tools, including Google Sheets and Airtable. This means you can use ClickUp to manage your core data, while still leveraging the power of specialized database software for more complex tasks. So, can ClickUp be used as a database? The short answer is yes, but it depends on your specific needs. For many small businesses and teams, it's a perfectly viable option. It's easy to use, flexible, and integrates well with other tools. However, if you need a high-performance database with advanced features, you might want to look elsewhere. But even in that case, ClickUp can still be a valuable tool for managing certain types of data. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.